Now let us start with lecture 3. In the lecture 3 of unit 1 quantum mechanics, we are discussing about the Planck's law. Planck's law the radiation is emitted in a packet or a bundle of energy called quanta or a photon instead of continuous waves. All photons which are associated with the light of frequency nu having an energy which is given by E is equal to h nu, where h is a Planck's constant and its value is 6.62 into 10 power minus 32 joule second. The oscillation the oscillators either absorb or emit the radiation of energy which is the multiple of h nu, that is E is equal to h nu. So n number of energy levels if you are having, then energy En, it can be equal to n into h nu. Let these be n oscillators with the total energy En. Then the average energy of an oscillator, it is indicated with E bar. E bar is the energy, that is the average energy of an oscillator. En is the energy n oscillators, where capital N is the number of oscillators. And this average energy, it can be total energy by number of oscillators, N. The possible energy values for the oscillators are: first oscillator, it produces 0 energy, next h nu, next 2h nu, 3h nu, where n takes the integers value 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So you may have n oscillators which is having an energy of n into h nu. Let the number of oscillators with these energies is n0, n1, which is having a energy 0, n0, n1, n2, n3, and so on, nn. According to Maxwell's distributions, the number of oscillators in the nth energy states are relate to the number of oscillators in the ground state energy as nn is equal to n0 e to the power minus n into h nu by kt. Call this as equation number 2. So this is the nth term, n energy levels. Now you can expand this for the individual energy oscillators. N1, it is equal to n0 e to the power minus h nu by kt. Similarly, n2 is equal to n0 e to the power minus 2 h nu by kt. n3 is equal to n0 e to the power minus 3 h nu by kt, and so on. as n capital N, it is the sum of the oscillators N0, N1, N2, N3, and so on. Each oscillators, they are producing an energies N0, N0 e to the power minus. You are substituting N0, N1, N2, N3 from the previous expressions. And we are simplifying the further. N equal to N0, we are keeping this e to the power minus h nu by kt as x. N0 plus N0x plus N0x square plus N0x cube and so on. And here we are taking a common factor N0, and in the bracket you will get 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. And this is a mathematical expression. From the binomial expression expansion, we can write this 1 by 1 minus x as 1 plus x square plus x cube plus and so on. So here n can be equal to n naught 1 by 1 minus x. According to binomial expansion, this expression we are expressing in terms of binomial, that is 1 by 1 minus x. So simplify, n will be equal to what? N naught by 1 minus x, you will get it. So that is called as equation 3. As there are n naught oscillators with energy E0, where energy is completely zero. N1, it is an oscillator with an energy E1, which is equal to E1 equal to h nu. N2 is the oscillators with an energy E2, it is equal to 2h nu. N3 is an oscillator with energy E3, which is having energy H3h nu. And so on. You are having n number of oscillators with energy En. So the total energy will be En equal to E0 N0 plus E1 N1 plus E2 N2 plus so on. En equal to E0, it is having a zero energy, N0 as it is. E1, it is h nu. N1, it is N0 e to the power h nu by kt. It is a previous expression we are substituting here. And so on for E2, N2, we are substituting. Then finally, En will be equal to, what you will get is En equal to N0 h nu. This e to the power we are taking as a common factor, and that value we are substituting as a x. 1 plus 2 e to the power minus h nu by kt, and this again value we are substituting as x. 3 e to the power minus 2 h nu by kt plus so on. So you are getting in the bracket e to the power h nu by kt as x, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus and so on. Again from the binomial expansion, this expansion can be written as 1 by 1 minus x whole square. We are substituting this expression as using this equation. So you will get En, it is equal to N0 h nu into x. This left right hand side first parameter as it is, and this is according to the binomial expansion. We are substituting 1 by 1 minus x square, x whole square. En equal to N0 h nu into x by 1 minus x whole square. This is called as equation 4. Now equation 3, from equation 3 and 4, we can write the average energy E bar. It is nothing but En by capital N, where En is from the equation 4, we are substituting N0 h nu x by 1 minus x whole square. And N from the previous equation, you are writing 10 N0 by 1 minus x. And this, it will be get cancelled, and remaining you will be having an average energy, that is E bar will be equal to h nu by e to the power h nu by kt minus 1. So here this is a small simplifications we have made, and the average energy will be equal to what? H nu by e to the power h nu by kt minus 1. the number of oscillators per unit volume in the wavelength range lambda to lambda plus d lambda is 8 pi by lambda to the power 4 into d lambda. The energy per unit volume E lambda d lambda in the wavelength range lambda to lambda plus d lambda is E lambda d lambda, and that is equal to 8 pi by lambda to the power 4 into d lambda into E bar. Here this E bar we are substituting from the previous equation, that is e to the h nu by e to the power h nu by kt minus 1. But you know the velocity of light, it is the product of c is equal to nu into lambda, or nu is equal to c by lambda. We are substituting in this expression, here nu is there, so in that nu we are substituting as c by lambda. Then you will be getting 8 pi e lambda d lambda will be equal to 8 pi hc by lambda to the power 4, and here at the numerator 1 by e to the power h nu by kt minus 1. Then e lambda d lambda equal to 8 pi hc lambda to the power 5 e to the power h nu by kt minus 1. Call this as equation 6. This equation, it is the Planck's law, able to completely explain the black body radiation spectrum at all frequencies. So this ends the Planck's law.